Hi, my name is Lexie and I'm a leasing and marketing assistant at Waterloo, and I'm so excited to show you our Ivy studio today. Come follow me. Starting with the entryway, the first thing you're going to notice is your electronic fob lock and your deadbolt for additional security. I love that there's a ton of wall space, so you can add key hooks here, tons of art on the wall, and you can even add a little catch-all table. To the right of your entryway is going to be your bathroom. This is definitely one of our more spacious bathrooms. There's a ton of storage underneath the sink, and I am obsessed with the size of this closet. I think you could really maximize the space by adding some storage bins down here. You can even hide your clothes hamper back here. Plus, you're going to have a spacious standing shower with beautiful tile finishes. Moving on to the kitchen, the first thing you'll notice is your spacious fridge. Alongside that, you have this beautiful cabinetry and this huge farmhouse style sink with a gorgeous backsplash behind. And next to that, you'll have the rest of your stainless steel appliances. All of our Ivies are going to come with a large window, and we'll provide the shade so you can let in as much or as little natural light as you'd like. Your unit's going to come fully furnished, and the bedroom is large enough that it's going to hold your full-size bed, a sofa chair, and you're going to even have a mounted smart TV right up here. And then just off the bedroom, you're going to have your full-size washer and dryer that are also Wi-Fi compatible. Thank you so much for touring the Ivy with me today, and if you have any other questions, feel free to stop by the leasing office. And remember, be the best you at Waterloo.